Hello, my name is Thomas. Thank you for taking time to watch this video today. Wanted to go over your website here that you have here on the web and some things that you're doing really well and some things that you can improve on to improve the amount of calls that are coming into your business. First thing you're doing well, I love how your thing is set up, your website's set up. Got some great pictures, like you have your photo gallery here on Flickr here. Yeah, I love this sign. You've done really, really well, and these are some awesome things here. So great work, obviously, as far as getting your work done, and basically also you've got a fairly well put together site. You got your phone numbers here. People can contact you. The contact page, and basically you've done a pretty good job with that. Things that you can improve on your site is basically add more content. Google loves good authoritative content, especially here on the home page. Basically, it's kind of your anchor, and you want good content where people can find you. So additional content would be really helpful for you. Also, you're find here you're at page 4, just looking for contract contractor. Basically, as far as adding more contact will help you as far as your rankings, which makes you seem better, seem more, and basically you're getting more phone calls incoming through your site. Another thing that could use improvement is you find your site here is not mobile friendly. And basically, what that means is people really can't use your site on a smartphone or tablet, which everybody's going to. So, this is something you want to get fixed right away. If you're interested in getting your site fixed or completely redone, I'll be glad to answer any questions you have, and I'll get you a site for a great price that you're really going to like, that is mobile friendly, and that's going to basically improve the amount of calls coming in. Any questions or concerns, I'll leave my contact information in the email, and you have a great day.